Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to install a second M.2 NVMe SSD, specifically the crucial P310, into the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. There will be links to everything in the description of what I talk about, even some other compatible NVMe SSDs. Before we start, make sure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. You'll want to ground yourself to avoid static damage. Even just touching a metal surface can help. Now, flip the laptop over and grab a small Phillips screwdriver. I'm using this screwdriver from an iFixit kit I have. Remove all the screws from the bottom panel. On the bottom right, this screw doesn't come all the way out, so just loosen it completely. And pay attention to the length of the screws. Some are a bit longer than others. I arranged the screws in the order and pattern of how I took them out in my iFixit tray cover. Once all the screws are out, gently pry open the bottom cover using a plastic pry tool or a guitar pick. Take your time here. The clips are firm, but they'll pop off with a bit of patience. Here's the inside of the ASUS ROG Strix G16. You can see the main SSD already installed on the bottom right. And here in the middle is the RAM. I have 16GB total RAM. That's two 8GB sticks. I'll be putting the links to the RAM in the description along with the SSD if you want to upgrade the RAM instead. I'll also include a 32GB kit that's compatible if you need it. Anyways, now on the left under this cover is the free M.2 slot where we'll be installing the NVMe SSD. This is what we'll be installing: the crucial P310 NVMe SSD, a great value drive that supports Gen 4 speeds but is also backward compatible with Gen 3 if your slot doesn't support Gen 4. Before we start installing, let's remove this small screw. Keep it, we'll need it in just a few seconds. Now onto the install. Gently insert the SSD into the M.2 slot at a slight angle, about 30 degrees, and push it in until it's firmly seated. Then press it down flat and secure it with the small screw. Once that's done, put the back cover on and screw everything back into place. Sometimes if you press the power button, the laptop might not boot. You just need to grab the power cable. This is normal. After booting up, open Disk Management in Windows. You should see your new SSD listed as unallocated space. Right-click and create a new simple volume. Go through the setup wizard. Assign a drive letter. Leave it on NTFS and give it a cool name. And that's it! Your crucial P310 SSD is ready to use. You've successfully expanded your storage and improved your laptop's flexibility. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Links to all compatible SSDs, RAM, and even the screwdriver I used will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!